Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor device to Honor 90 Lite. Begin by going into Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, tap on the same options on both smartphones. Begin by selecting I agree at the top, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, hit OK. Then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top or select this gray area. Finally, you can tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Honor smartphone and receive right next to Send at the bottom of 90 Lite. Also on 90 Lite, click on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Honor smartphone. You can finally, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, pick multiple files that you wish to transfer and hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Honor 90 Lite. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code after tapping on Unblock. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input key section instead and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then select Receive. As you can see, in the matter of seconds, my pictures were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!